La la la, hey, yeah, yeah.
Welcome back to Daytime Ottawa. Oh, I think we're all feeling it, that post-holiday pudge. Maybe we're feeling a little bit sluggish. Well, right now is the time to get right back on track, and especially because the Ottawa Health and Wellness Expo is coming up on January 12th. Here to tell us all about it is Dr. Natalie Beauchamp. She's one of the organizers, actually the founder of the Expo. Yeah. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And we also have Kathy Ryan here, who is one of the exhibitors from Carter's Foods. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Exhibitor and sponsor of our keynote speaker as well.
Excellent.
So yeah.
Yeah, and we'll get to him. We'll get to the keynote speaker in just a moment because it is someone who is quite spectacular.
We're excited.
Yeah.
We're excited.
But this is really a special time because, of course, it's the new year. What's the message you want to get out to people right now?
Well, when I started that 7 years ago, I remember knocking on doors and saying, "Oh, do you want to participate in an expo?" And people would say, "Well, how many vendors? How many participants?" No idea. You know, that was my answer. But it's grown so big because there's such a big demand for knowledge when it comes to health and wellness. And our slogan is "Be fit, eat right, think well, and go green." So we have those 4 components that are being, represented, and we have tons of. I mean, I looked at all the exhibitors just before I left, and it's amazing the quality of the exhibitors that we have. So we're really excited about that. And then 10 o'clock the day of the expo, we're doing the viewing of the movie Doctored, which is an amazing documentary. We had a viewing at the Mayfair about a month ago, and the reaction to the movie was just amazing.
What's it about? Give us a quick synopsis.
It's about starting to think for yourself and how we are taking things for granted without asking questions. So it's about taking control of your life when it comes to the food, to the pharmaceutical industry, and so forth. I've watched a lot of documentaries in the last several years, and this one just brings it all together, and it's a very powerful message.
Kathy, she mentioned that you are a sponsor of the event. Why did Carter's Foods decide to get involved?
Well, Carter's is, we have 6 locations across the city of Ottawa, and so obviously it's a health and wellness fair for the whole city, and so we definitely wanted to be a part of that. We are now the largest health food store in Ottawa with the 6 locations, and we specifically wanted to be involved when we heard that we had an opportunity to sponsor Dr. William Davis, who is the author of Wheat Belly. We jumped on board as soon as we heard that that was a possibility because he is very well known, a best-selling book, and someone that has a lot of really good things to say, and he's going to be there at the show.
Dr. Beauchamp, maybe you can elaborate on that because this is really the highlight, the thing that everyone is really going to be flocking to, this keynote speech.
Yes, so Dr. Davies is a cardiologist, and what he found is that when he was putting his patient on a gluten-free diet, he was almost reversing heart disease. So he really talks about the impact on health and how the grains have been genetically modified and so forth. So the first few chapters are actually on that. He was on Dr. Oz a couple weeks ago. So it was a good coup, like you said, to get him. It was not an easy process, and thanks to having some sponsor helping me bringing him to Ottawa. I think his message is very powerful because chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, arthritis, and all of those diseases are inflammatory disease. So when you eat a not a gluten-free diet, it may create a lot of inflammation in your body and make you sick, literally. So people that have changed to a gluten-free diet or close to it can't believe the difference. Not just, with losing the fat and so forth, but their energy level. And then the less inflamed our body is, the less we set the stage for condition like cancer and all the inflammatory diseases.
And he's only one of many speakers that you have. What are some of the other topics?
We have 9 breakout sessions with different speakers. Dr. Joel Villeneuve is one of our speakers. We have Natasha Kisa from Simply Rot is also a speaker. So we have a variety of all kind of different things. Like I said, it's the amount of information that's going to be there. I suggest that people take the whole day, to be honest, because there's so much stuff going on and so much knowledge that's going to be passed on. So.
Right, and so how do people get tickets? How do they purchase them at the door?
You
do
can,
they show up?
but we're going to be sold out pretty quickly with Dr. Davies because the Harold Shankman room only sits 500 people, and we're already getting close to be sold out. So I would suggest to people to buy their tickets ahead of time if they want to see Dr. Davies, because we need to obviously count. For the expo, you can also buy them online, or you can wait the day of the event. It's up to people. But, you know, I think it's going to be a busy day, so we want to make sure that people are not disappointed that they can't come in to get in to see Dr. Davies.
And not to mention, too, he's coming on the show, right? Next
Yes,
Friday.
next Friday.
He'll be joining us here on the
Yeah.
show.
He, one of the email correspondence I had with him at the beginning, he said, January, Ottawa in January, ... sure, you know. So not the best destination, but we're going. We have him staying at the Westin, and
Oh,
we're going to really
perfect.
try to give him a good taste of the city and so forth. So.
And Kathy, good news is Tom Burney will be on the show tomorrow as well from Carter's Food, so he can speak more on the importance of nutrition when he joins us.
Absolutely. And I did want to mention, too, that Dr. Davies is going to be doing a book signing
Okay.
at our Orleans location on January 11th, so the Friday before the show from 3 to 4 p.m. So he will be there. So we might need some crowd control, but
Yeah, no
we're
kidding.
going to be having some healthy gluten-free options available as well for people to sample. But I think you know, just having him there to sign books is going to be a great draw for people as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you, ladies, so much for joining us
Thank
today.
you.
It's so exciting.
I know.